Okay, good evening, students. As we have completed exercise 7a, first part of the logarithm. Okay, so in page number, it was in page number 85, 86, 87, like that. Okay, now I'm starting the new chapter, the same chapter, logarithm only, but this based on the laws. Okay, like you have studied the laws of indices, now you have to study the laws of logarithm. Okay, so there are some particular laws, especially two laws are used in the logarithm. Okay, so I will discuss one by one. You have to be very focused on this video. Okay, so that you will understand. Okay, now here I want to show you here, so log of mn, okay, to the base a. How to read this? Log of mn to the base n. A. Mn means m multiply n. Okay. Log of mn, m multiply n to the base a is log of m to the base a plus log of n to the base a. Okay. So you just try to understand here. Okay, this is called the product law of logarithm. Okay, product law means product is changed into addition. Okay, in the form of sum. Okay, product is changed into the form of sum. Here you see log of xy or x multiply y to the base a can be written log x base a, log y base a. Got my point? So here this can be changed into this form, and this is called the law of product. Okay, this is called the law of product. This is called law of product. So here I just want to prove this. Okay, I just want to tell you how it is written. It is given here, like suppose if I take x equal to a to the power m. Okay, if I take x equal to a to the power m and y equal to a to the power n. Okay, then then this can be written in the form of logarithmic form. If this is the you can say index notation form. Okay, or index form. Okay, so if I have to change this into logarithmic form, so I have to write like this. Okay, log of x, okay, to the base a is m. Okay, log of x to the base a, okay, is m. Okay, we have already understood that log means the exponent. Okay, log means the exponent, m is the log. Okay, m is the log of what? M is the log of x. Okay, m is the log of x. Exponent is the log of something. Okay, this m is the log of x, and for this base, okay, to this base. Okay, it means log of x to the base a is m. Okay, so here I have written here, so y equal to, I have assumed y equal to a to the power n, so this can be written log of y to the base a is n. Okay, so what I have done, I have just multiplied this. I have taken as 1, this I have taken as 2. So if I multiplied these two, then x and y will be multiplied together. This can be multiplied. Okay, LHS will be multiplied with LHS, RHS will be multiplied with RHS. So this, now this can be written xy equal to a. It is, we have already learnt in the indices that in powers are always added, base are same in the case of product or in the case of multiplication. Okay, so a is multiplied, powers are added, m plus n. So now this m plus n is the exponent here. Okay, so exponent is the log of this. It means log of xy to the base a is m plus n. Okay, log of xy to the base a is m plus n. So what you have assumed here, you see here. Okay, so m, you see here m equal to log x to the base a. M equal to, in place of m I have written log x to the base a. Here you see log of x to the base a is m. it means this is the value of m, and this is the value of n. Okay, so here we can understand, if you replace the value of m and n, okay, then you will get log of xy to the base a is log xa plus log ya. So this is the formula, or this is the law of product. Okay, okay, this is called the product law of logarithm, and this is how it is derived. Okay, so you don't have to, you just for understanding I have shown here how this law is derived here. Okay, but you have to just understand, this is the law of product. The product is changed into the form of sum. Okay, always remember this. Okay, law of product means product form can be converted into form of sum. Okay, so if log xy to the base a can be log xa log plus log ya, this can be written in this way also, log xy equal to log x plus log y. Okay, if the base are same, okay, if base same base means you don't have to use that base also, it's not so compulsory. Okay, now examples, application of first law, how this law is used. I will just show you one application. Okay, like you see here, log of 7 multiply 3, log of 7 multiply 3 to the base 2. Okay, log of 7 multiply 3 to the base 2 is log 7 2 plus log 3 2. You see here, you just compare this law, okay, with this application. Okay, okay, how this law is written here, and how this application is done here. Okay, how this law is applied here. Okay, this is 7 multiply, this is x multiply y, there is no sign, means there is multiply here, 7 multiply 3. So log 7 multiply 3 to the base 2 is log 7 2 plus log 3 2. Okay, so like that, log 35 2, so log 35 can be written log 7 multiply 5 to the base 2. 35 can be 7 multiply 5. Again this can be written log 7 2 plus log 5 2. Okay, got my point? Here also what I have done, here also I have used this law. Okay, first law, this is the product law of logarithm. Okay, now another you see here, log 7 log plus log 8 plus log 3. Okay, it is in the form of sum. Form of sum is converted in the form of product, and form of product is converted in the form of sum. Always remember this. Okay, like you see here, if form of product is converted into the form of sum, then form of sum is converted into the form of product. Similarly, I have done here, log 7 plus log 8 plus log 3 can be written log 7 multiply 8 multiply 3. So in the form of sum is converted to form of product. Okay, now you see log 48 plus log 3 can be written log 48 multiply 3, or log 48 multiply 3 can be written in this form. Okay, there is no base, means common base. Okay, common logs does not have the base. Okay, common log means the logs which have 10 as base, that is called common logs. Okay, these common logs no base. Okay, log 17 5, log of 17 to the base 5 plus log of 12 to the base 5 equal to log of 17 multiply 12 to the base 5. You see here, form of sum is converted into the form of product. Okay, so point to remember, I have written here, point to remember, if there is no base given means base is 10. Always remember, if there is no base given in the log means you have to understand there is base is 10, and such logs are called common logs. Okay, such logs are called common logs. Here I just want to show you another law. You see here, log, okay, log of x square to the base a. X square means, okay, this power can be written directly here. How it can be written I will explain and show you. Okay, power always comes here. So log x square to the base a can be written 2 log x, 2 log of x, okay, to the base a. Similarly here power is, you see here 3 is written first. What is the power here? 5. 5 is written first. Here you see log of x to the power 8 to the base a can be written 8 log x to the power to the base a. See here, power. You try to understand here, okay? Power always come first, okay? Power always comes first. So here I have presented, I have derived also like how power comes first. You see here, log x cube to the base a. X cube can be written x multiply x multiply x. Can it be written or not? It can be written. So it is in the form of product. Form of product can be written in the form of sum as per this first law, okay, as per this product law, okay. Form of product can be written in the form of sum. So this product is written in the form of sum. So it is log, same if base are same and log is also same, okay. In such same logs, okay, like logs you can say, these all are similar logs. Similar logs can be added, can be subtracted. So log of x to the power a plus log x to the power a log x to the power a, 3 times 3 logs x to the power a, okay. This is the, okay. Now similarly here also I have just, you can understand here, m to the power 5 is there, m is written 5 times. M to the 5 can be written m multiply m multiply m multiply m multiply m. So this is the form of product, can be written in the form of sum, 1 2 3 4 5 times, okay. Now 5 times, so 5 log of m to the a to the base a, okay. So here, now here I have shown you, here you can directly write power is 2, power is 4, so 4 log of 2 base 7. Here you can see power is 2, so 2 log 7 base 10. Here power is 6, 6 log 8 base 3. Here power is 3, 3 log 8 base 7, okay. You can understand from here. So some examples I have done here. You see here, log 5 2 plus log 3 2 plus log 7 2. You see base are same, no? If base are different, then formula cannot be applied here. Remember this, okay? Base should be same. Base are same, so it is in the form of sum, so it can be written in the form of product. So log base 2 5 multiply 3 multiply 7, okay. So similarly you see here, log base 2 base 2 base 2, okay. But there should not be number before the log, that number can be taken up. So you can write this up, this power comes back, no, power always come back side. So this can be written in this form. You see here how I have written, this power is written and this power is written here, so I am writing this into this form, okay. This is already in this form, there should not be any number. Now you see log log log, same base, okay. So this should be multiplied, so it is in the form of sum. Form of sum can be written in the form of product, okay. This is the answer. So here we will see, okay, my dear students, and that was the first law, okay. In next video I will make the second law. I will explain the second law of logarithm, okay.